So hey guys, let's start vibe coding a Flutter application. So I'll be using Anti-Gravity. It is a tool by Google. I'm going to create a basic Flutter application that will generate content ideas for me. So to get started with this application, what I've done is I've discussed the idea with ChatGPT, and this ChatGPT has given me the prompt for this application which I can directly use. Okay, so what I've done is I've copy pasted this prompt over here. So this is basically the goal. The app will generate the viral content ideas, hooks, and it should also generate a good CTA. And it will have two screens, input screen and the result screen, UI UX requirements, animation if any, use cards, and then what will the input screen do, right? And then the second result screen. For this application, what I have done is created a basic JSON structure like this. Okay. Now this is the tech requirement. Use the latest stable Flutter, clean architecture, state management, and reusable widgets. So let us get going. So what I will do is I will just copy paste this prompt. Now I will go back to my anti-gravity, okay, and let me copy paste this prompt over here. And what I will also do is open a folder. I will specify the folder where I want this application to be created, and let us get started. Okay, now this is the folder which I have created. Now this is the folder, and let us give this prompt. So I'll just copy paste this prompt over here in the agent manager. So for the model, I'm selecting Gemini 3.5 Pro High. Okay, so let's go with this. Okay, so this is generating right now. So basically, whenever you are using vibe coding an application from the scratch, what I would suggest is generating the ideas. Discuss it with any LLMs you want, like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, whichever LLMs you are comfortable, and then whatever the prompts they give, and you can always go back and forth. You can always go back and change whatever you want. So this is usually I follow this. This is basically the PRD, project requirement document, and I have converted this PRD into a prompt which we can directly give to anti-gravity. So while this anti-gravity was working, what happened was the agent got this error, command not found Flutter. So what I have done is set the path for the Flutter in the terminal. Terminal itself is present in the anti-gravity, and if you want, if it is not visible, you can go right over here on the top and say new terminal. This will be visible, and set the path. So what I will do right now is stop this and say continue. So in case this happens with you, this is very simple. You can set the path again and say continue. So agent will start resume from where it has stopped. So let's see, it is generating again. So you can see that the implementation plan is created, and yeah, it is still working. Once this implementation plan is ready, we can also review this. If you want any changes, you can submit the comment and go ahead with the changes. So this implementation plan looks good for me. It is still generating something, so let us wait before proceeding. So this kept on generating something. So what I've done is I have stopped from right. यहाँ से मैंने जो है stop कर दिया. So let us proceed again. So I'm just going to click proceed with this implementation plan, and this has started generating the code. So whatever code it will generate, it will appear over here. So let's see, it will create the Flutter project. So this is proceeding with the implementation plan. Yes, so this is being generated. Yes, so this is now started creating some files. Okay, a Bugsec.yml file, the other dat files which are going to be used in the project. So here the project is being created. So let us wait for some more time. So yeah, this is still working. So let's wait for some more time. I'm so excited, can't wait for this project to get completed. So here you can see the Flutter project taking shape. All the files are generated with all the proper libs, models, providers, services. I am not even typing a single line of code. So that doesn't mean, I should not go through it. I will definitely go through it. So now I feel the project is completed. Right, so this is the project that it has created, and let's go and quickly run this project. So now you can see that this app is running in simulator. I have started the simulator and it is running. So all you have to do is select the platform like YouTube, Instagram, choose your niche, food, travel, say tutorial, story, and the content type. Generate the ideas. So this will generate the ideas. So this is basically the title, this is the hook, and this is the CTA. This is your Flutter application which is generated. And for the data right now, it is taking the data from the mock API. So here this mock JSON is there from where the data is getting. In future, if you want, you can connect this JSON with the live API. You can use OpenAI or Gemini, whichever APIs you want, and use the brain as the API for this application, and you can go ahead. So I hope you like this video. Let me know which video should I be making next. So if you want the prompt for this application, let me know. I will send it to you. Thank you so much.